Hey, what do you say, YouTubers? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who saw the first video of the Carisma Subaru BRAT, it was an unboxing that turned into kind of a build video because right out of the box it wasn't quite ready for prime time. We had that mongrel battery connector that I've never seen before, so we cut that off and soldered on a new Dean's connector. We had a broken link which was probably damaged in shipping, and then the body didn't quite fit without raising the body post. And this body is already quite high. There's a lot of wheel clearance in the wheel wells, so to me that wasn't an option. And what we really needed to do is we cut that body, the front of the body, to match the contour of the bumper. So that worked out really well. So now that it's ready for the trail, we took it up to the Yucatan where I normally go. We ran it on a bunch of different surfaces. We ran it in the sand a little bit. We took it on the rocky, hilly trails. We ran it on the floor a little bit so you can see how it handles. It's a pretty fun truck. So if you don't want to watch the whole video, you can fast forward to the end where I'll do a quick review and give you my thoughts. So let's take a look. Well, so there you go. It was a good day. There are a few things that I think it could use that would help. It is a little twitchy. It's a little fast, so it's geared a little bit high for a rock crawler, but it does very well just as a nice trail truck. It probably goes 8 to 10 miles per hour, a lot faster than you're going to walk. So it's got plenty of wheel speed. So I think there's some tweaking that it needs between, you know, maybe programming the ESC or replacing the ESC and maybe lowering the gear ratio a little bit. I haven't done any research. I'm not sure what's out there as far as gears for that transmission, but it is a little bit high for crawling. I think the steering is an issue as well. It's a little bit limited in the degree of steering, and it doesn't seem like there's a whole lot you can do with that. There are some extra holes on the drag link, but that would involve, you know, adding a longer steering servo arm, that kind of thing, and there are stops on there limiting it. So I don't think that would be a great idea. I don't think there's a whole lot you can do as far as getting a little bit more degree of steering out of it. But don't take this as a negative review. The truck is a lot of fun. I'm glad I bought it, and I would buy it again, especially for the price. You know, if you're looking for a rock crawler that's a Subaru, you know, your options are pretty limited to either the Tamiya or the Carisma. It's a nice little truck, so I'm happy with it, and I think you would be too. So if you liked the video and you thought it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.